Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Mandy. I like to talk about makeup panning, and things happening in my real life in vlogs and other things. So if this is something you're interested in, then hit the subscribe button. And today we have an intro for a new project. So if that is something you're interested in, then stay tuned. Today we have a late introduction to the Paranormal Pantivity Project Pan. Whew, I was asleep on this one. I signed up for it and was planning to do it and thought it started on today. But it actually started on the 24th. So this is a Fantastic Ladies Collab Group project. It was created by Andrea at Pretty as a Peacock. And it is all about spooky spirits and things that go bump in the night. It started on September 24th, which was the last Saturday of the last Saturday of the month of September, and that is National Ghost Hunting Day. It is a year-long project, so it is going until September 24th of 2023. Whew. You can, Andrea says we can do it monthly or bi-monthly. I think I'm going to do it bi-monthly and alternate it with This is Fantasy. We'll see how it goes. You are to roll in 6 products and do it rolling roulette style, or you can bring them all in at once. I'm going to do 6 at a time. So yeah. And if I used the thumbnail that Andrea provided, it was created by her sister, and I will have her link in the description. Otherwise, you will see the thumbnail I created. I don't know which one I'm doing yet. Okay, let me get comfier. So I am just going to do this rolling style. I'm going to start at the top of the list and work my way down, working on 6 products at a time. I like the spooky and the paranormal. Anyway, so the first prompt is Poltergeist. Something that gives you trouble. Either it's hard to use or has faulty packaging. So I'm going to bring in something that is a little bit hard to use because I can't use it for what it's intended for, but I can use it for something else, and it's a little bit tricky to work with, but I think it'll work. We'll see. We'll see. This will be our trial period and see how it goes. But I am bringing in this product from Medusa's Makeup. It is their Sun-Kissed Bronzer, and it is very orange, which is not something I normally would wear as a bronzer. It is much too dark for me. If I can get the package opening, I'll get a swatch. I'm going to be using it as a blush. I tried it the other day, and it's quite intense, but I think if I sheer it out, there we go, it'll be a nice orangey blush, and I'll see how I feel about orangey blush. I am a very cool-toned person, so wearing something this warm, we'll see how it goes. That is it, kind of a little intense, but kind of sheared out. I could definitely shear it out more. And it has sort of a bronzy, blushy look. We'll see how it goes. I forgot to grab my makeup. Wait, okay. And I'm going to put that in for 13 uses to give it a try and see if I can make it work and use it. Because I would hate to pass it along. But if I have to, I have to. It's definitely not something that would suit me as a bronzer, but maybe I can get it as an orangey blush. We're going to give it 13 uses and a good old college try, as they say. So that is coming in for Poltergeist. As I said, once again, 13 uses, because that's a spooky number. All right, next is for Doppelganger. Something that you have a double or a backup of. And I am bringing in a nail polish because I have a backup of, I have another polish the exact same color. Call me crazy. I have 2 nail polishes the same color, and I think I remember why. So this is Sally Hansen's Hard as Nails in Naughty Cream, and it is a dark burgundy vampy color. And if you watched my This Is Fantasy from this last year, you'll know I have this one here, which is an Avon Speed Dry in the shade Vamp It Up, which is also a dark burgundy. And just to make sure, I swatched them both on this nail wheel. And there they are. They're, you know, pretty identical, I'd say. I don't see any difference between them. This one here is the Naughty Cream from Sally Hansen, and this, it may be a little bit more purple from here. And then this one is the Avon Vamp It Up. I remember why I have 2, because this was my favorite color, my favorite polish, and it was getting low. It's all the way down here. So I bought another polish to back it up. But then I started using this one before I ever finished this one. So eventually after this project, I may just combine them into one, and then I'll have one less polish in my collection. But yeah, there's just a little bit left down here. I'm bringing this in. I'm going to try for 6 uses. We'll see if we can get that many uses out of it. And 6 because, you know, 666 is a scary, spooky number. Yeah, I'm going with it. All right, next up is for White Lady. And that is a white product or something in white packaging. I'm going with both with my NYX Epic Wear pencil in pure white. This is currently in This Is Fantasy to get as much use out of it as I can. Once that project is finally wrapped up, which should be on October 11th, I will be bringing this into this project for 13 uses, because 13. And it's just a white eyeliner. I can give you a swatch of that. There we go. I don't know why I'm swatching with the wrong hand, but you know I am. That's fine. All right, next up, let me move my nail polish out of the way. Next up is for Bloody Mary, and that is a product with a mirror, because the old thing is you look in a mirror and say your name, and you know. So I am bringing in this palette from Odin's Eye. This is the Alva 2 Ocean palette, and it is brand spanking new, never been used, but it does have a mirror in it. And my goal for this is going to be to use the palette as a whole, whichever shades I feel like reaching for, 6 times, because 6. So yeah, I'm bringing this palette in for 6 uses. Alright, next is Vanishing Hitchhiker, and that is a product that disappears quickly. So I'm bringing in something that I think disappears quickly, considering what it's supposed to be and what it actually does. This is from Spascription. It is their Repairing Overnight Lip Mask with Collagen. I did have this in a previous project, and currently it is right here, right below the white label, part of the label. Actually, it's a little bit lower than that. It's right there. My goal is to use this 31 times because this product lasts forever. I brought it into a previous project up there, and I used it a ton of times. You just need a little bit of this. I put it on when I'm doing my skincare after washing my face. It sort of moisturizes my lips. But as far as being a lip sleeping mask, it like disappears within 5 minutes or less. I think it's not thick enough. It's not nourishing enough. It just disappears. So I'm going to bring it in and use it 31 times because that too is a somewhat spooky number. It's 13 backwards, so. And then finally, for Gremlin, a mini or deluxe sized product, and I am bringing in what I think is the miniest product I've ever had. It is this guy right here. Look at that. It is tiny. It is 3 mils or 0.1 fluid ounces. What is it? It is a sample size of the First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. It's an eye cream, but it is the smallest thing I've ever seen. And I have been using it already. It is right here. And my goal is to finish it because, you know, it's going to take a while because it is an eye cream and you don't need a whole lot, but I might start slathering it on. I don't know. I don't see that it really does anything. It's illuminating, but it's like it's tinted and it has shimmer in it, which is why it's illuminating. So yeah, we're going to bring that in to use. And that is 6 products, if I counted right. The bronzer, and the nail polish, and the eyeliner, and the palette, and the lip mask, and the eye cream. Yep, that's 6 products. So I hope you are enjoying this project so far. Sorry I'm a little bit late. I kind of forgot what date it was coming out on. But if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, hit the subscribe button. It's free. And if you want to be notified when I upload, hit the notification bell. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay spooky, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.